have Trini Kimmy over here. Wait, is that a little island? There's an island over there. What? Everywhere we party, everywhere we party. We have the chicken on the grill. Nice.
You want to go for fruits? That shit tastes stale.
Ew. Oh gosh. Make a quick fruit stuff. I guess the fruit's not fresh, so.
You know what them are. First thing she said, no alcohol.
So this bridge is pretty big, man. Were you trying to stay away from it?
Yeah, definitely.
Hey KK squad, it's a girl Curly Krissy. Welcome back or welcome to my channel. So we are here at this, it's a park, it's like a beach, it's a beach slash park in Key West, Key Largo. I'll be taking you guys on the journey with me. Well, the journey already done, we reach, so we're gonna see what they have here. I see that they have like swings and playground for the kids. I'm here with my boyfriend and friends, so yeah, they have a lot over here that I see so far. They have like a volleyball court, basketball court, the beach, the playground. This park is pretty decent, pretty nice. So we're gonna do like grilling. We're gonna grill. We have a grill, we have igloos. You know, we got to have the igloos out. We have to have the alcohol. They're unloading the cars right now. As you can see, 2 cars came, this car and this car. We'll find a little spot to put everything where we can grill and have an igloo and stuff, and then I'll be back. I love cream cheese. Cream cheese is my thing. Grill setup. It's a cute little grill. Spot the Bigfoot from all the way over here.
Alright, come on, man.
Get the white, the red, the overproof, the tonic wine. Everywhere we party, everywhere we party. People. What am I drinking? Can y'all see? Zari ready, ready, ready for the beach. Beach. Where did Caden go?
Where did he go?
Hello, Kaden.
See Mr. Drone Live about to set up Krissy.
I want some shots with that.
Mr. Yeah, right, Mr. Drone Live. Mr. Drone Live about to set up Krissy.
Alright, so me go look what's going on over there. It's like it look like one of those little man-made beach type thing, you know. I don't know how I feel about this. I don't think I'm going in this water at all. I mean, it look clean. You can go on-ish a little bit. And we have Trini Kimmy over here. Oh, the water from afar it look dirty, but it's actually clean.
Okay, then you have to come. It's clean.
Hey, it's clean. Yeah, it's clear. Oh yeah, it's rocks. Yes, that's what I was saying.
That's why the ripples are very low.
Oh, and it's so settling, like perfect for the kids. Listen, kids, live your best life. This is perfect. It's cold? No? I want to feel it, like you're just calling me, like, come feel me.
Right? I ain't going no further.
I know you're not going no further.
I don't like seaweed.
Oh yeah, me either. But because it's not moving, it's just like, alright. It's good.
Don't go too far in water.
Okay then. Growing up so fast.
I know, right? There goes Zaria and Kaden in the water. Ouch.
Pretty nice.
Oh yeah, guys, and if you go way over, let me try to zoom in.
Wait, is that a little island?
There's an island over on the other side.
What?
That's from that's the bridge. You must go all the way down.
Oh yeah. Kaden is so happy right now.
There's jellyfish in the water.
Hmm? Where? You see it?
You better be careful, because if them things bite on you,
Yeah.
if there's jellyfish in the water, come on.
No, baby. Water.
Water.
No, baby. Water.
So island water. It's a nice sunny day. Oh, you're gonna fly the drone.
Where is it at?
I have no idea. Me see my look up at the ear. Look. Where is it? I don't see it. Let's go see. Okay then. Let's go see the drone. Come on. Come, let's go to Uncle Ian and see the drone. See Uncle Ian flying the drone?
Oh, look.
Oh shoot, is it right here, sir? Kaden, look! But you have to show Kaden. He said plane. He said plane. Come on, come look at it, come.
Oh, babe. Can we blow this up with your air thing in the car?
I don't even know where it's at.
What the hell?
Dude, watch this.
Huh?
Oh, you like?
Hold on.
Oh,
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Return to home. Because I don't know where it's at.
I see it. It's right over that
Oh,
tree
just
right
zoom in and
there.
come to you?
Where?
Don't-
Is that the tree right there coming? This,
Damn,
yeah.
bro, how far you took it out?
I'm gonna record it. Return it.
Oh, is that it right there?
Yeah, damn, that thing went
there's a
far.
nice resort right there.
Oh, look at here. So what is that?
What is that? Oh, that's actually a plane. I thought that was, oh, damn.
Say hi. What are you eating, Kaden? Grapes? Grapes. And strawberries? Strawberry. Let me help you. Let me help you. Pull it. Pull. Mmm. Cheers.
New location, guys. New location.
So guys, like I said before, we had to leave the other park because they were wild with the grill. Because we had a personal grill. So now we're at another park. It's called what? Cannon Beach? It's called some reef. Is that like a coral reef? What is it? Coral reef? Some coral reef. Yeah, that's what it's called, right? Coral reef. So right now, oh, it's key larger.
Start up the fire. We're gonna eat some hot dog first.
Wow, somebody had to be coming over here. Huh?
Wait, somebody coming over here? Oh gosh.
No.
It was too good to be true. Hey KK squad, welcome back.
So, like I said earlier, we're at a new spot, a new area, because the area that we were at earlier, they were telling us that we can use our own portable grill. Ooh. So the end has a palm tree, and it has those colors, my favorite colors. We're at a new spot, and we we are going with some hot dogs. Yeah, hot dogs first. What else do we have? Chicken. What else? We got some stuff. You'll see when we're finished with the hot dogs and stuff like that. Zari, you look so pretty. Look at the lighting. So pretty. It looks like I got a lot of cannon, but I only got a little bit of cannon. It looks like you have a lot. Let me see how it looks like this. Look at Kaden. Kaden, what are you drinking? What is that? Is it good?
Alright, we're gonna take a walk over there and see what they have over there.
I'm gonna head over there.
Okay, then.
This is the road. There's a little bridge over there. Show them the bridge.
Oh,
Yeah, that we drove over.
guys.
See?
I don't know if you can see it because I can't
Look,
see
it's
it.
that way.
Oh,
Look,
wait, hold on.
show it over there.
Look at the bridge.
Yes.
I can't really.
Listen, I feel like something crawling now.
Where?
I don't know. I feel like something just crawled on me.
Where?
There's nothing on my back, right?
No.
Okay, good. Thank you.
It's probably your hair just.
Probably. They have a park over here, but
Yeah,
it's
closed down probably because of the whole virus.
yeah.
For some reason, I can't see our recording.
Have a little park over here, but I guess because of coronavirus, they kind of like close it
Because of
off.
the virus and the whole thing going on.
I mean, I understand, you know.
Now you see the building, guys. And
Yeah.
guys, as always, you know, we always rolling.
Yep.
Curly Krissy in the building. As always, big up.
Trini
Again,
Kimmy in the
guys.
building.
What's up, guys? Don't forget to check out her channel, Curly Krissy.
Trini Kimmy.
Curly Krissy on her YouTube, guys.
Oh, Sissy.
Make sure you check it
Yeah.
out.
Yeah.
Sissy.
It's gonna be Daria's TV.
Aw,
Yeah.
that's nice.
Oh, look, it's Daria's. I named it Daria's TV because
It's cool back here. Hello. What? Oh, I thought you. Oh, nice. It's just a little.
little like kayaking place.
If anything, I probably say that you could just come here with a business.
Mhm. She said, "Oh no, honey."
Oh, honey. Hey guys, so these are the people here. They kayaking or canoeing.
Kayaking, I think. Yeah, kayaking.
Whichever.
No,
I
it's
get-
canoe. It's,
Canoe.
they're
You
in
know
a
what?
Canoe.
It is a. You see, you're very smart.
But they're kayaking, but they're in a canoe.
Oh my god. See, what would you do without Zari?
Guys, that's my dog.
Yes, very smart. Because
I am
I'm.
the smartest child in the world.
Yeah, you are.
Yeah, you are.
Keep that same energy, girl.
You gotta say something.
You gotta say, Kaden.
He's like me too.
How cold?
He's telling about the water.
Aww. It's cold?
Yes.
Yeah, I probably. So we have some chicken over here. Let's see what's going in here. So, ooh, we have the chicken on the grill. Nice. We have more here waiting. You know, the seasoning. And we have the sauce over there.
About to try this mad dog sauce. Is this hot sauce? Yeah, that's the same sauce that they have right here. I hate hot sauce, guys. Hot sauce is so spicy. It makes my tongue, my cheeks, and my throat hurt. You just have to like take a bite, drink water, take a bite, drink water, take a bite. Oh, milk. Oh yes. Milk helps. Yeah. Milk helps. Yeah, milk helps. For sure. Is the chicken spicy? I'm about to try to see.
Well, alright, so I think you guys are going to home. It's a lunch tomorrow. Yo, man. It's cooking. There's more pieces over here.
Right there.